Okay, we got a 2005 Honda Accord 2.4 liter engine, and we are going to be replacing the power steering fluid reservoir. Okay, here are a list of the tools I use to replace the power steering fluid reservoir on a 2005 Honda Accord. A ratchet with an extension and a 5/16 socket, a flat blade screwdriver, channel lock pliers, and a fluid pump to remove the power steering fluid out of the power steering fluid reservoir. You're going to want a jug on this end when removing that power steering fluid. Okay, one of the first things we're going to do, we're going to pump out any and all fluid, power steering fluid in here, and I'm going to be using the Performance Tool quart and gallon fluid pump to get all that extra power steering fluid out of that reservoir. So, all right. Now there still might be a little bit of residual fluid in these lines here. Once you go to remove them at the bottom of that brake fluid reservoir, but I think we got a nice majority of that fluid. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and place this bag underneath this power steering reservoir to catch any extra power steering fluid that may come out of these holes when I disconnect them at the bottom. Away. Okay, then you want to take a flat blade screwdriver and pry down this area here, pry down behind here to kind of give you a little bit of leverage to slide that reservoir up. So. careful not to let too much fluid out of there. All right. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and use a self-tightening screw on this one to kind of make sure the self-tightening bracket screw. Drop that back down in there. Make sure it slides. Make sure this slides back down on that latch here. Be sure to line those up. That latch. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and connect my hoses. Start with this one here. And what you can do, you can take a little old power steering fluid and kind of just lube up the areas around there to ensure easy fitting. Make it a little easier to get that to slide on. Not a lot, but just enough to lube that area around there to help you get those hoses on a little easier. May have to slide that clamp back a little bit to get it the hose to slide all the way on the brake fluid reservoir. Now we can go. Okay, now let's do the other one. Okay, go ahead and tighten that back down. Now that we got it midway between the power steering reservoir and hose. You don't want to tighten it down too much, but enough to where you know, okay, it's not gonna move. All right, now let's go ahead and fill this bad boy up with some power steering fluid. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with this Honda power steering fluid. Okay, because I have steady hands, I'm just gonna go ahead and get a little pour started. Okay. Obviously gonna need some more. I don't know if you guys can see that level. It's basically at the lower level. I need it to be here at the upper level. So I'm gonna add some more. And hopefully we can get it where we need it. All right, I'm gonna turn the vehicle on. But before I turn the vehicle on, I'm gonna jack up the vehicle and get the front tires off the ground and turn the vehicle slowly. Turn the wheel slowly all the way to the left and then all the way to the right to get any air out of the power steering fluid system. And you probably see the level of power steering fluid go down, and you'll just top it off as needed. Okay, we saw that power steering fluid lowered in level, so we are gonna fill it back up and try it again. Okay, you guys can see that the fluid line is here. That fluid line is there. We want to get it down to here. That's where we want to have it at, right there. So I'm going to go ahead and pump a little bit of fluid out so that it's right where it needs to be after bleeding all the air out of the system a few times with the wheels up, with the front wheels up off the ground and the engine on, and turning the wheel slowly all the way to the left and slowly all the way to the right. So let's go ahead and get a little bit of that fluid out there. Okay, and I think that's a perfect place to have that fluid. Okay, and that's how you replace a power steering fluid reservoir on a 2005 Honda Accord. Hope this helps somebody.